Have you ever tasted the ocean in a single bite? Today we are diving into a mouth-watering crab curry that is rich, spicy and packed with flavors. If you are ready to learn the secrets to this coastal classic, let's get cooking. Remove the top shell and break the crabs into half. Clean and wash the crabs thoroughly. In a pan, dry roast coriander seeds, cumin seeds, black peppercorn and methi seeds. Once it's roasted, remove in a plate. Next, I'm going to dry roast red chilies. Once it's roasted, remove it aside. Next, I'm going to dry roast mustard seeds. When mustard seed starts to crackle, remove in the same plate. In the same pan, add oil. Now add sliced onion and garlic. Saute until the onion and garlic turn translucent and color begins to change. In the same pan, add 2 teaspoons of oil. Now add freshly grated coconut and turmeric. Saute until the coconut color begins to change. Remove in the same plate. Add tamarind and allow the spice to cool down. Transfer the roasted spices to mixer jar. Add half cup of water and blend to a fine paste. In a cooking pot, I am using earthen pot over here. Add clean crabs, chopped onion, chopped tomato, ginger chopped, green chilies, turmeric, curry leaves and salt. Now add half cup of water. Toss it nicely and cook it for 5 minutes only. After 5 minutes, add the ground paste. Now add water from the mixer jar to get the desired consistency. Don't make it too runny. Add salt and wiggle it nicely. Cover and cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove the curry from the heat. Now for the tempering, in a small pan, heat coconut oil. Add sliced onion. Cook it till the color changes. Turn off the heat and pour this tempering over the curry. Wiggle it nicely. Crab curry is ready. Serve this curry hot with steamed rice.